it's Rue. In this video, we'll be making the Ward 8 cocktail. Are you guys ready to make this drink with me? Let's get started. To make this drink, we need to gather these ingredients. Bourbon whiskey I have here from Bullet, orange juice, grenadine, lemon, orange, and a cherry. 6 items. It's still time. Let's go grab them. Ice, a shaker, a rocks glass, a juice squeezer, a knife, and a jigger. First step, what we're going to do is cut our garnish, set the orange aside. Now what we're going to do is grab our lemon and roll it. Cut the lemon in half. Squeeze half the lemon into the shaker. We'll be pouring 3/4 of an ounce of orange juice into the shaker. Grab your grenadine. Pour half an ounce of grenadine into the shaker. Grab your bourbon. We'll be pouring 2 ounces into the shaker. Add ice. Close the lid. And now it's time to shake your drink. Add ice into your glass. Pour your drink. And the last step is to garnish with an orange and cherry. And there you go, my friends, the Ward 8 cocktail. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.